The future of LANAP, I think, is quite bright. We're going to be utilizing it more and more as patients become more aware of the availability of the procedure. The unfortunate part of traditional therapy is the discomfort that is associated with it afterward, which is really, if compared to LANAP, absent. Even if you were to compare the discomfort associated with a deep cleaning or deep scaling, which many patients have had, you compare that to the LANAP treatment, the patients that receive LANAP really have much less discomfort than those patients, or at least report much less discomfort than those patients, than the patients that have received scaling and root planing alone. Even though I feel that my patients that have received traditional therapy, I've done it in the least uncomfortable way. I compare those patients to patients that I've treated with LANAP. It's really a night and day difference. I felt that I was being left behind by not incorporating LANAP into my practice. The reason that I brought LANAP into my practice was once it was FDA cleared, I felt that there was really no reason for me not to have it available for my patients. I envision more and more periodontal programs bringing LANAP into their program to provide a full complement of treatment that's available for their patients, not only within the school, but when the student graduates and can now provide a full complement of periodontal treatment. You know, buying a perio laser is a whole lot different experience than any other laser that I've ever purchased or utilized in my practice. I mean, the diode laser that I have is essentially no education. I mean, they did send along the owner's manual. That was pretty much the extent of it. With the CO2 laser that I had purchased in the past, there was some training, and it was reasonable, but nothing to the extent of what I've received in this purchase. Another laser that I utilize is, again, similar to the CO2 laser as far as the training goes, so really can't say that there's been anything really wrong with the training at all. I mean, it's an interesting process. I have to admit, I was a little disappointed when I got the laser and I didn't get the keys, you know, that we don't get all the fibers to start. I suppose that was a little bit of a surprise, you know, but it makes sense. You know, we get all the parts and pieces after we're trained on it. Whereas I think with many of the other laser companies, they send it out to you and you just figure it out as you go.